So we decided to take a helicopter ride that takes off in New Jersey and then flew over Manhattan. And so this is taken off from New Jersey. This was looking at New Jersey from the sky. And then we flew around the Statue of Liberty. And then this is Wall Street in the financial district that we can see here. And you'll see the Freedom Tower coming up in just a second. There it is. That's the Freedom Tower that's right there. That's where the World Trade Center used to be. And then if you look here, we're moving away. There's the Brooklyn Bridge. And then some other bridges that are in New York. And now we're going to be coming into the next part of Manhattan. So you can see there's actually some flat areas here. Like you'll see some buildings coming into our scene right about now. You'll start to see the high rises starting to occur again. There's the Empire State Building right there, and we'll get a better look at it in just a second. See Madison Square Garden, that's the round building that's in the ground, or on the ground right there. That's where the Rangers and the Knicks play. And then there's the Empire State Building off to the right. And then if you look, we're coming up to something called Billionaires Row, where I guess the condos are very, very expensive. And if you look at the ground, see some flash lines. There's Billionaires Row where you see those tall buildings right there. If you look at the ground, you can see there's some flashing buildings. The lights, that's Times Square. And then you can see we're coming up to Central Park. That's going to be right here. And there's Central Park. And that's it basically for the helicopter ride. Very, very worth going. It's worth the money to go. This was outstanding.